It's been an exciting opportunity to network with individuals, understand their trials and tribulations, their experience in their healthcare journeys, and also to learn from some various technologies and experts on how to improve healthcare within my organization. It is an honor and privilege to be here with such talented individuals.
The technological issues as part of healthcare professionals' work is my passion. And I think in this conference we have had a good view how the technology is changing the nurses' work, changing the patient's role, and also changing the working environment. So you are not just working in the hospital, you can work at the home or even in a bus or some other place. And I think in this conference it has been very fruitful to meet kind of senior nurses, educators, researchers who share maybe a different viewpoint. But that's all about technology. You can't change the world. You can change some part of it, and some elements are left as they are, like feeling empathy or some other issues which cannot be changed as a technological innovation yet.
Since coming here today was the first of a 3-day conference on nursing that is very broad. There was no one speciality, so it was very interesting to hear all the different experiences of nursing from different parts of the world.
I came to this symposium very much not knowing much details, except the fact that it was going to be a very diverse group of people working in plant science. And as expected, it was indeed a very diverse group of people, both in subject matters that were covered, as well as the geographic region from where they came. Participants in the program came from all the continents that one can think of where science is going on, and it was really wonderful to see a group of people ranging in age from current graduate students all the way to people who have retired many years ago and those who are still active. So it was just a great experience to be here in a place like Valencia, in a weather that was absolutely beautiful, and an organization that did a wonderful job providing very nice facilities for the participants and a good bit of science for discussion as well as presentations.
It's been interesting coming to this conference because we are hearing about topics that I was not familiar with, or problems seen from other perspectives. And with that, there's been a great diversity of people from universities and places that I was unaware of, because living in Australia, it is a long way from Europe. So it's very interesting to meet scientists from Tunisia, Algeria, East Africa, West Africa, and Europe. So all this makes it very interesting for personal interactions, discussions, and it is also very interesting to learn more about just how complex and diverse plant functions are. We're only still in this day of advanced genomics and advanced plant science. We're only just still beginning to understand. So it has been very worthwhile and very interesting. Thank you.
I've been attending this nursing conference, and it has been a very great experience, meeting people from all over the world and with very different perspectives. We have had a lot of discussions, and it has been a very great experience.
Come to conferences like these, then we can learn how to work better with the trends, how to connect with scientists that is already doing the work that we may need to conduct in our own areas, and how to be able to offer our assistance and our expertise in areas. For example, I can go because I have a PhD looking at health disparities and health policies. I can go and help the Aborigine people in Australia, or I can come here to Spain or to Zambia. I just actually left Morocco. And when I leave here, I go to Rome and to Qatar, where I'll be helping the Qatarians with diabetes. So again, coming to health conferences like these is very important so that we can learn from others to improve the health status for individuals across the world.
This symposium, this global conference on plant science research, it was a wonderful opportunity for me to meet and to discuss and to share my experience in the field of research with an eminent scholars across the world. The 2-day symposium was excellent, well arranged, flawless arrangements. I am extremely happy with the organizers, the way they conducted the symposium. These 2 days deliberations, we had the topics covered in different areas, agriculture, basic science, etc. It was really a wonderful opportunity for me to improve my research and to remodel my research work.
We are very lucky because there are nurses from all around the world. We have the opportunity of sharing knowledge, ideas from different disciplines, always during the inside of the field of the nursing. But there are also some engineers, there are physicians, there are psychologists, there are so many people that they are able to share their experience, to share their knowledge. So really, I am very, very happy to spend these 2 days here. I have been sharing one table, having so important for nurses to have time and space for talk and for sharing what we are doing.
I would like to thank the organizing committee for inviting me and share my research with all those valuable people attending all around the world. Thank you very much.
Having this Global Plant Science Conference and Research 2019, I am first time from the attending this conference outside of the India, and I am having good experience, good exposure regarding the research work, and the topics that covered it in this conference is very effective, very attractive to the young researchers who are working in the field of molecular biology, basic science, and as well as the new breeding techniques for the crop plants generation. It seems, I feel that this type of the conference is very useful for the young researchers who are having the interest in the research field, and they can utilize the knowledge from this conference for their work, as well as the they give their contributions to their country to giving the new techniques. So I am having a good experience, and I will be grateful and very much thankful to the organizers who giving the opportunity to present myself internationally.
The meeting is a good platform for me as a research-based company. This platform allowed me to meet a lot of scientists from different backgrounds and different countries, give us the opportunity to put this knowledge together, and then there will be a good contribution for me to develop this industry in Southeast Asia.
This is the first time I've come to this conference, and which I really wanted to come, and that's why I came from Zambia. It's a long way, but I said, let me go and meet our colleagues. So I'm really interested, and I'll continue. I've seen it in Rome, already advertised. So I'll also ask my friends so that they can come with me, so that we learn these issues that I have been experiencing today.
In research field, obviously we have to be research active, because research actually leads to all the changes that happen in healthcare science, and research actually leads to development of not only personal but also as a profession, we need to be very, very active in developing research and education. And I would like to thank you all for inviting me to speak at this conference, which I thoroughly enjoyed, and the response I received were very encouraging. Thank you very much.
Conference itself, it was very nice. There were a good presentation. I managed to speak or talk to some people from different institutions or from different countries, and there are potential collaboration. So in future, there will be people that I'm planning to work with that I met from this conference.